Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a logo from text in Canva. So you can imagine you can apply your text or convert your text into logo. So let's get started. You can open Canva. If you don't have it, you can download it for free from official website, of course, and sign in with your account. Start by click apps and then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find logo again. Turn text into logo image. So here this is AI powered logo creator. All you have to do, you can click use in new design, and here we go. For best result, try to be as descriptive as you can. And this is the additional credit. When enabled, each generation will cost 2 credits. You can subscribe to get 100 logo gain credits per day. So let's start by try an example. For example, lemonade stand, cyberpunk style teen outfit store, generate logo. And here we go. This is the online teen shop. Cyberpunk theme of your logo. So please free to try to describe your logo and turn into image. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.